Hi everyone, I have today the September box from Bath and Body Magic, and it's the screen box. So I just opened up the box, but I haven't really taken a peek. I almost didn't do an unboxing because recently I haven't had the energy for them with all the Inky Mac wax stuff happening. I just haven't had the energy for demos or unboxings, but I'm going to do this one because it's a theme box, so I don't even know what exactly is in there other than it's got to be some Scream stuff. So let's take a peek. Cute little stickers, little Halloween cat stickers. And here's a thank you sticker from her. Some creepy stickers. My invoice. How cute is she? She is so pretty. This is her information. I guess it's a big sticker. I was going to say an information card, but I guess it's a sticker. All right, her card. I keep meaning to get some of these for Inky Mac wax, but I keep forgetting. Anyway, some candy. Thank you, Crystal. All right, what's that? Looks like just a little card here. Sticker? Question mark? So I think it's a sticker. Yes. And here is, don't know. It says open. So I shall, since it says open, by the way, look. What's that, a backpack or a purse? What is that? We'll see in a minute. Open. It's a little tiny coffin. I'll be right back when I open it. So now the coffin is open. Now I have to get out what's in there. I really could have done this off camera, but I just wanted to make sure you guys saw at the same time I did. Oh, how cute is it? It's a little pin. I do love pins. It's freaky. Horror pins especially. I put them on all my hats. Matter of fact, it matches. This whole thing matches my nails. And I did not do that on purpose. Got little Scream nails on. All right. I'm going to move this out of the way. What's next? Looks like a hair bundle. I have no clue. I'll be right back while I open it. So it's an adorable keychain with a little floof at the end. Little floof. It is so cute though. Look at him. So cute. All right. What is this? Looks like some kind of pouch of some sort. Again, I'll be back. So it's a purse. It's a little pursy purse. Really cute. I might give this to my granddaughter in one of her Christmas boxes because she likes creepy things, and I really don't carry purses much, but I think it's adorable and it's a great addition to this box. Next, we have some, I love when I don't know what's in a box. I should start buying mystery boxes to unbox. That's more fun than unboxing something I already know what I got. Like when I buy bath bombs, I already know what I bought because it's not a mystery. All right, so this is Scream Saltwater Taffy lip balm. Can't wait to try it. I have lip balm on my nightstand and I put it on before I go to sleep every night. So I might switch it up for this one. Here's another one. Wait a minute. Is that the lip balm? Oh yeah. So we got this lip balm. And then we got this one. Same flavor looks like. She's a Jersey girl, so saltwater taffy is a thing. But this is actually a great bargain for the price I paid. I think I paid $35. Let me stop lying and just tell you how much I paid by looking at it. Oh yeah, $35 for this box, and it's like never-ending stuff. How you can afford to do it with bath bombs, lip balms, purses, little keychain. What was in the little coffin? Oh, the pen already. This is a bath bomb. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a soap. Oh. This is a watermelon sugar soap. Watermelon sugar. Adorbs. I'm sorry if I keep yawning. I just I had a rough night. I was up very early because we had a situation. So by 4 o'clock I was up and I didn't go to bed till midnight. So anyway, look at this. Did you make this, Crystal? This is really cute. Very cute. I think this is handmade. Probably like a tray or something. Let's put something on. Very cute. All right. We have gummy worm scent sugar scrub. Very cute. If I'm honest, I'm not really a fan of gummy worm scent. So let me smell this one because typically I don't like it. But it might be different. Hold on a second. Yeah, so I don't like it. I mean, that's what happens when you get a mystery box. You don't know what you're going to get and you can't choose what you get. It's a little too tart for me. And as a rule, I really don't like candy, popcorn, or regular food scents to wash my body with. I like pretty scents. That's just me. I like, perfumey scents, floral scents, maybe fruity scents. That's my typical desire. Musky scents. But I don't want to, use like popcorn scents or mostly candy scents. I don't either like if it's too tart like this one. I also was making wax warmers, and I had a scent called what was it called? What are sweet and sour candies? Not gummy bears, but those, they look like little men and they're sweet on the inside but sour on the outside. I can't remember the name of them. But anyway, I had that scent, and every time I opened it to smell it, and some customer ordered a custom made out of that scent. Sour Patch Kids, that's what it is. A customer ordered a wax made out of that scent, and I'm like, no offense to my customer, but I had to make the wax, and I was actually almost gagging the whole time I was making it. But everybody has different scent preferences. So look at all of these for $35. We have candy apples. This should smell good. I do like a fruit. I just mentioned the shimmer on this one is great. County Fair. Not really. I'll have to, the verdict has to be out on this one because I'm not sure if County Fair smells like popcorn or funnel cakes or something. Another one. I'm probably not going to do demos on these. I'll be honest. I just don't have the energy. Matter of fact, I'm talking to you guys yawning. This is candy apple. Another one that I probably would love. This is way too much, Crystal. How could you afford to do this? Another candy apples. This one, what is this? A double? Yeah, this is a double one. This is another, not said County Fair, but it's actually Country Fair. I don't know what the scent profiles are on it. I'm trying to smell it through the wrapping, but I cannot. I don't know. And finally, we have another sugar scrub. Well, what's the other one? Sugar scrub? And gummy worm scent. Yeah, so we have a great value. I'm trying to figure out if maybe my granddaughter will like these. Great value. Mystery box, so, you get what you get. So we have the gummy worm sugar scrub, 2 of those. And here's a little thing for take out your little sugar scrub. We have, there's 2 in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bath bombs. 6 count them, 6 bath bombs. And I have used her bath bombs plenty of times. They're very foamy and colorful. 2 lip balms in 2 different types. I do love this little container type. That's my favorite way to have a lip balm. This adorable, oh, I broke it. I think I broke it. Maybe it came broken. I don't know. I don't even pay attention. But either way, it's soap. Doesn't really matter, I guess. This soap scented in watermelon sugar. Hey, hi, hey, watermelon sugar. Hi. We have this, I believe, piece of resin art. This is really pretty. Is it resin art? Yeah, it looks like resin. She's been busy over there. And then we had the little knife. We have the keychain. And we have the bag. Child, for $35. Oh, here's another thingy for the sugar scrub. For $35. $35. Come on, you can't beat it. I might get her October box just because this is like another fun mystery box, you know? You don't know what you're getting. You get to be surprised when everyone else is surprised. Oh, and by the by, $35 free shipping and all of this stuff came. I mean, you really can't beat it. $35. How many bath bombs I said I got? Let me count that up again. I should just rewind the tape. All right. We have 6 bath bombs, some sugar scrubs, lip balms, and little fun toys, a little bag for $35. I'm quite impressed at this bargain. And I'm probably just going to run off and see if she's got any October boxes left to order. And I'll order one of those. Yeah. I don't mind pumpkin scented stuff. So I don't know if her... Yeah, you would think that October stuff might have some pumpkin scents in there, which I don't mind. So fingers crossed. But I need another box because now I need to get a different kind of sugar scrub. All right, guys, that's it for Bath and Body Magic. BathNBodyMagick.com. Magic spelled Magick. BathNBodyMagick.com. Great bargain for $35. No, and free shipping. Talk to you guys on the next one.